Hello, everybody. Thanks for joining again. I've got Dr. Chris Turner, and he's got some exciting information he'd like to share with you about what I'm going to call nanotechnology. I don't know if that's the right word, but Dr. Turner, tell me, what are you working on now, and how is it working out for you?
Well, we're in the midst of really hammering down a different way of helping patients relieve the signs and symptoms of their conditions, and we are using what is the term exosome therapy, and this is to just enhance their body's way of healing themselves.
Excellent, excellent. So, tell me, what is an exosome?
Well, exosomes are so-called extracellular vesicles or small bubbles. They're released from cells, especially from stem cells. They act as shuttles for certain genetic information and proteins to other cells. They allow for cell-to-cell communication, transporting molecules that are important regulators of intercellular information between close and distant cells. They carry information from place to place with different functions and purposes, telling cells how to and when to react. Exosomes are being heralded as the next frontier of cell therapy. While not being cells at all, they play a vital role in the communication and rejuvenation of all the cells in our body. In fact, science has shown that the cell to cell communication is important in maintaining a healthy cellular terrain. Age, chronic and disease, environmental factors, and genetic disorders can oftentimes interfere with how our stem cells communicate with other cells, and it disrupts the healing process. So exosomes play a key role in the regulation of these communication processes.
Wow. So, tell me the actual functions. Like, how does it actually work? Like, I'm not a scientist and you're a doc, so kind of educate us on that.
Well, exosomes they mediate further infection and degeneration, so they have the ability to transform or transfer like a pathogen related molecule or pathogenic genes and proteins, or even the entire pathogen itself. They can mediate toxic reactions when released by regenerative cells, such as stem cells, for example. They are potent drivers of healing and repair.
Wow, that's amazing. So, is it legal? Is it, how do they get it? Like, where do they get these exosomes from?
Well, the exosomes are they come from. I lost you there.
No problem.
Um,
Hang on one step. We're just gonna.